Hello friends, how you doing? And in this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy A52s microphone not working problem. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest videos. So if you're facing microphone not working problem while calling or while recording something in Samsung Galaxy A52s, simply first of all you just need to open settings. So first just tap on settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.